Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'll be showing you how to check for blockages in a Dyson Big Ball Cylinder Vacuum Cleaner. If your vacuum's lacking in suction or is not picking things up as well as it used to, this could be due to blockages. There are a few places that can get blocked in your vacuum, preventing it from working correctly. The vacuum is also fitted with an automatically resetting thermal cutout. If any part of the appliance becomes blocked, it may overheat and cut out. So if your vacuum stopped working all of a sudden, this could be the problem. Safety first, make sure you turn off your vacuum cleaner and fully disconnect it from the mains. If you've just been using your vacuum, it's also best to let it cool down for 1 to 2 hours before you start looking for blockages. So let's get to it. The first thing to check is the bin. If the bin is too full, then the cyclone can become blocked, which will prevent your machine from working properly. To empty the bin, remove it from the vacuum by pressing the release button at the side. Then hold it over your bin and press the red catch at the side as you're pulling the top carry handle to release the lid and empty. If the bin's empty and your suction still hasn't improved, you'll need to check the vacuum for blockages. First step, we'll check the motor head. Remove this by pressing the release button that connects the motor head to the wand, pressing it in and gently pulling it away. Then you can check inside for any debris, including fluff, hair or larger items. If there's anything that could be blocking the motor head, you can just remove this with your hands. Next, you'll want to check the neck of the motor head where it connects to the wand to see if anything's got stuck in there instead. Remove this with your fingers if you can, or use a tool to help you, but be careful not to damage your vacuum when doing this. Whilst you have the motor head to hand, it's worth also checking the brush bar for any debris such as hair and string that may have got tangled in. You can remove this either using your fingers, some small scissors or seam rippers to remove the debris. If you need to remove the brush bar to get to the blockage, you can do this by using either a coin or a flathead screwdriver. You can just place the coin into the panel at the side, twist it, and lift the brush bar out. A dirty or clogged filter can also affect your vacuum cleaner's performance, so be sure to clean your filter and replace it if it's damaged, and if you're not sure how to do this, take a look at our video up here. If the motor head and the brush bar seem to be fine, the next thing to do is to check the wand. The wand should already be disconnected from the motor head, so you'll just need to disconnect the wand from the handle. To do this, again, simply press the red button and pull to disconnect. Take a look at both ends of the wand and check for blockages. You'll want to make sure that you can see all the way through to the other side of the wand. If any blockages are hard to reach, try using an unravelled wire coat hanger to help you. Just be careful not to damage the hose when you do this. The next thing to check is the wand handle. Disconnect it from the hose too and check both entrances for blockages. Now your hose is disconnected from the wand handle, you can also disconnect it from the vacuum itself, so you can check this too. Disconnect it by pressing down on the release button and gently pulling it away. You can then check both ends for any blockages and remove any that you find. After performing all of these checks and removing any blockages found, it's now time to reassemble your vacuum cleaner by simply reconnecting all of the parts. We hope that this video has helped you remove any blockages from your vacuum cleaner and that it's working again as it should. Whilst you're here, you can also check out our video on safety checks for your vacuum cleaner. And before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for plenty more appliance repairs and maintenance videos. Thanks for watching!